Good morning, Class 1. I hope you all are fine. Now, today we will start our Unit 4. Unit 4 is Animals and Birds. Okay. Now, beta, open the chapter number 20, page number 32. Okay. Chapter 20 is Hi, we are animals. Okay. In this, we will study about animals. See, beta, domestic animals play a huge role in our lives. Okay, now these domestic animals play a huge role in our lives. Let's know more about them. Now we will study more about them. Guess the name of these animals with the help of the picture and hints. Now in this we will guess the name of the animals with the help of the picture and hints. Okay, now see number 1. I am very loyal to you. I am your best friend and I get trained easily. Who am I? This animal is dog. Okay. So dog is very loyal to us and dog is our best friend. And number 1, dog. See beta next one, number 2. I hop very fast and love to eat carrots. Who am I? So this animal loves to eat carrots. So this animal is rabbit. Okay. See number 3. I love chasing mice and drinking milk. Who am I? So this animal is cat. Cat love chasing mice and drinking milk. Okay. Now beta see next one, number 4. I give you milk and I have horns. Who am I? So this animal is cow. So cow gives us milk. Alright. Now beta see page number 33. See number 5. I carry heavy load and live in the farm. Who am I? So this animal is donkey. Donkey carry heavy load and live in the farm. Now see next one beta number 6. I run very fast and live in a stable. Who am I? So this animal is horse. So horse run very fast and live in a stable. See next one beta number 7. I provide you with wool for the winter season. Who am I? So this animal provides us wool for the winter season. This animal is sheep. Okay. Now like see the last one, number 8. I wake up early in the morning and I live in a poultry farm. Who am I? This animal is cock. Okay, so cock lives in the poultry farm. Alright. Now once again I am repeating the answers. All of you check once. Okay. Number 1 is dog. Number 2 is rabbit. Number 3 is cat. Number 4 is cow. Number 5 is donkey. Number 6 is horse. Number 7 is sheep. Number 8 is cock. Okay. Now beta, come to the next page. Page number 34. Colorful birds. Now in this chapter we will study about birds. Okay. All of us have almost the same color, but not birds. So birds का color same नहीं होता. Birds doesn't have same color. They are colorful and so beautiful. So birds are colorful and so beautiful. Now see the pictures and okay, and see if you know their names. Okay, all right. See number one. See number one picture on page number 34. This bird has a very strong beak. So woodpecker is a bird who has a very strong beak. So number one is woodpecker. Okay. See next one beta, number 2. This bird can imitate us and is kept as a pet. So this bird is parrot. So parrot can imitate us and is kept as a pet. Okay. Now Number 1 is woodpecker. Number 2 is parrot. Now see next one beta. Number 3. Number 3 is this bird lives around us and is found in groups. This bird is sparrow. So sparrow lives around us and is found in groups. See beta number 4. This is the world's largest bird. So world's largest bird is ostrich. Okay. Number 4 is ostrich. See beta number 5. This bird lives mostly on water and has more than 25,000 feathers. So this bird is swan. So swan lives mostly on water. Okay. Now in number 1 woodpecker, number 2 parrot, number 3 sparrow, number 4 ostrich, number 5 swan. Now see beta page number 35. Okay. This is the smallest bird in the world. See number 6. This is the smallest bird in the world. So this bird is hummingbird. Okay. Now see next one beta number 7. This bird is very intelligent and makes a cow 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 sound. So this bird is crow. Okay. Crow is very intelligent and makes a cow 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 sound. See next one beta number 8. This bird's eyesight is almost 8 times better than us. So this bird is eagle. So eagle's eyesight is almost 8 times better than us. Okay beta. See number 9. This bird is active at night and has an excellent hearing ability. So this bird is owl. Owl is active at night and has an excellent hearing ability. Okay. See next one beta number 10. This bird opens its feathers and dances in the rain. So this bird is peacock. Peacock opens its feathers and dances in the rain. Okay. Once again I am repeating the answer of page number 35. Number 6 is hummingbird. Number 7 is crow. Number 8 is eagle. Number 9 is owl. Number 10 is peacock. Okay. All of you do this page number 34 and 35 in your copy. Thank you.